At first I thought there was quite a lot of information to take on board, but once I kind of looked at all the information and pulled it all together, then they all kind of fitted in with each other and it all made sense. And I found it really useful to just come to my final conclusion based upon the different kinds of the podcasts and also then the theories from the book come together to make my decision on actually something in real life rather than just a plain text case study.
And did you start? When did you start doing the work?
About a week before it was due.
How much time did it take you to do it?
It took me quite a while. I'd say a good 2 or 3 days solid work.
Right. And would you, if you did it again, would you do it like? Would you start before?
Yeah, I'd start really early. It was horrible doing it last minute because there was quite a lot to look through. And it was because there was a lot of information. I wanted to look at it all because I did it so late. It'd have been a lot more beneficial to me if I'd have looked at it piece by piece every week, and then maybe the week before the assessment was due, I'd have already had the full picture and then been able to spend the week actually just collating all my points rather than just going through all the different bits of information. Kind of good. Some of the things that I learned from the assessment I also then took into my placement, and it helps me have a better understanding of some of the processes and some of the operations that I have going.
Right. And what, if you're to the people that are taking it now, what advice would you give them?
Start earlier and make sure that they look at all the information that's on Extreme, not just the textbooks, because it's so much more helpful to look at that than do it, and it just gives them a general better understanding because it's based on a actual real life thing. It's much. I find it was much easier to look at something that has actually been done rather than just reading it in a book.